Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video we will talk about how to make a single name account on Facebook. Okay, so as we know that Facebook is the largest social media app and lot of people use Facebook, and you may also have seen that many people use different stylish names. So in today's video we will see how to make a single name account on Facebook. So let's start our video. First of all, as you can see in my home page, if I open my Facebook, this is my Facebook, and if I go to my profile section, then here you can see that this is my name. I will go to settings, and from here if I click on this personal information and name, then you can see that this is the interface. Let's suppose that I just want to remove this name, okay, and if I click on this review change, you can see that they are denying our action. Okay guys, for doing so you just have to install an app named Touch VPN. Okay, I will just drop this link in the description so that you may also download this app from the link. Okay, so all I have to do is I will just open it, and from here you have to select a country. Okay, so you may check on different countries, but I will select Indonesia and I will click on this connect. Okay, after connecting you just have to remove the Facebook from your background and open the Facebook app again. Now go to settings and personal information. Now from here let's try by removing this name. You just have to enter your password here. So we are all done guys. You can see that my name has been changed. Let me show you by going into my profile section. That's it. I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.